So hey everyone, this is Vaishnav here, and this is your very own BlockTalk podcast. And today, this episode is exclusively for WLFI token, as that has been in headlines from past month itself, I guess. Like it has been hitting headlines every week for each kind of news.
Yeah, so it launched on September 1, but the news has been going around for the past month or so.
Yes. So WLFI Saga started from last year itself. Like most of the people don't remember this, but I do very well remember. Last year, October month, there was a website called WLFI or World Liberty Finance, as you can see on the screen. There was a coming soon website, and their tagline was "Be Defiant." And then what happened is they opened up a pre-sale, and you can see the pre-sale things on the infographic over here.
Okay.
So initial sale, they raised around $300 million at 1.5 billion valuation at that time. And the token price was around $0.015. So when people are complaining that WLFI is being dumped upon so hard, but what I think is people did had a chance to buy the public sale a year before. But most of the people missed it. It's what I think. Then after this initial sale only, big whales like Justin Sun and these companies, there are some treasury companies like AltFi Public and AltFi Sigma, Aqua Foundation. These guys are some treasury companies which also bought WLFI tokens at increased prices. Here the joke is like VCs and digital asset treasuries, these kind of institutions
Came after the pre-sale.
Yes. So people did have the huge upside, but this was missed. So we will be delving into the timeline of the WLFI tokens, how this was being marketed by the Trump's family and all. But let's see what's the current market situation. Like what's the current price of WLFI while recording this podcast?
Yeah, so right now it's trading around $0.2. And you have mentioned about why people have missed the initial pre-sale.
Yes.
So
yes.
even I looked at the pre-sale, but at the time the Trump was not elected as president. It was before the project announced before the presidential election. So at that time people were hesitant to buy this pre-sale, whether they don't know exactly what this project is about and what it's going to do. So because of that, most people left out the pre-sale. And in the pre-sale, some of my friends participated in the pre-sale. And what's their point is, they thought that the initial circulating supply will be very less because around 20 billion was distributed in the pre-sale, and out of the 20 billion, only 20% of users holding was released right now in the circulation.
Yes.
Others are locked down.
Yes.
And what people thought is, if the circulating supply is lesser will be the liquidity and higher will be the buying pressure. So automatically the price might go up. So this is what people thought.
Okay. This
was the time of launch. Yeah. And if the liquidity is lesser, the FDV will be very high. So people at the time of launch, they estimated the FDV to be around 100 billion. So this was one of the problems. I can't say it's a problem. People were expecting the price to be around $1 range.
Yeah.
But now it's around $0.2.
What I think is, even till now, WLFI does not know. Their team itself does not know what to do. Like they were trying to become a DeFi protocol. Now they want to become like a Aave-like protocol.
Lending and borrowing, yeah.
Lending and borrowing. But all these days, they have been also buying various crypto to have in their chest, like as a treasury.
Okay.
They bought a lot of BTC during Trump's coming to the power. In celebration, they bought some specific number of Bitcoins. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So, and Ethereum, they also bought a lot of Ethereum, and Eric Trump also put a lot of bull post on Ethereum.
Yeah.
They bought, what are the tokens they bought? They bought SEI, SCI, you know?
Yeah.
SEI token they bought for very low amounts, like around 100K.
Okay.
That's a very pretty low amount given their strategic, given their total, total assets under their control. But still, they were buying a lot of various different kinds of crypto. Just have to have control over. And now I will also show you the WLFI's current valuation. So you can see the screen, like it's around, that goes around millions, right? Or billions, it's billions.
No, it's billions, yeah.
So it's 9.7 billion is what WLFI is holding.
Okay.
This is the current valuation of crypto assets which are under the control of World Liberty Finance.
Okay.
And also see the top holders in this list. This is where, see, so you can see the screen, there is WLFI Sigma.
Yeah.
Then there is, at second place comes Justin Sun. And at fifth place, there is Techno Revenant. You see?
Yeah.
Techno Revenant is not such a famous guy, but I will tell you why he is in mainstream. Like currently there was, Plasma token.
No.
Okay, so Plasma is USDT's own chain.
Okay.
And Plasma is on pre-markets now.
Okay.
It's not launched yet in spot. People are just betting on the price.
Okay.
In Hyperliquid, Techno Revenant came in, had a huge long order.
Okay.
In such a way, the whole order book, whatever Hyperliquid's order book, including the market makers, got liquidated.
Okay.
That was such a huge order. So he put a massive order. He liquidated everybody, and that the liquidations pushed the price up, right?
Yeah.
That difference price was his profit.
Okay.
So Techno Revenant knows where to manipulate prices and where to hunt traders. So those kind of guys are being involved in this. Now, why WLFI came into mainstream again was Justin Sun has around, let me get the exact figures of how much supply he has. Justin Sun owns around 3% of the total supply.
Okay.
And as you said, his 20% of the stash was unlocked at the launch. 80% was for vesting.
Okay.
And he also publicly said that he won't sell. He used to tweet, and he also tweets a lot, like how he praises Trump a lot for supporting crypto and how World Liberty Finance can be a huge project,
Okay.
which can make the America as the crypto capital. Even if you see, there was a report which was published 3 weeks before, which mentioned on how the government wants America to become a crypto capital.
Okay.
That's also the goal, right? So what was happening is, but here the highlight is Justin Sun's supply was blacklisted by World Liberty Finance.
Oh, it was blacklisted.
Yeah, it was blacklisted.
Why?
That's what. So blacklisting is in the sense he can't move even a single dollar token anywhere and sell it.
Okay.
So if you say they logged his 550 million unlocked tokens and over 2.4 billion locked tokens.
Okay.
What people allege is Justin Sun said he won't sell it. But what was happening at the backside is, so if you can see his exchange, Pudgy Global, HTX is being owned by Justin Sun.
Yeah.
So there was a program where people can lock their WLFI tokens for 20% APR
Okay.
for a fixed time.
Okay.
They can't even withdraw in between, I guess. It's a staking program.
Okay.
So you stake for a fixed time, you would get to 20%, you would get the tokens with 20% returns after a set time of period. So what he did is, he put this program.
Okay.
All users of his exchange started to deposit their tokens into his exchange. What Justin Sun did is, he took this supply
Okay.
and sold it.
Okay.
Because
He can use his supply to give it to
he can use his vesting to pay back the users.
Yeah.
So he sort of to clone from the people and use this as his own money. This is like FTX level thing. Like FTX Alameda Research
Yeah.
also used to do the same thing. They use customer funds to deposit in various other firms, to invest in companies like, Sam
Yeah.
Bankman.
Sam Altman. Yeah.
Sam used to invest in many companies. He also was a invested in Anthropic.
Okay.
But all these funds was not his.
Okay.
This was customers' funds.
Customers fund. Yeah.
So this kind of foul play happened. So that's why people are saying that World Liberty Finance just banned the blacklisted this account so that not much losses will occur.
Okay. Yeah.
And there's also been an update that in the last 7 days there have been like 272 addresses have been blacklisted.
Oh, okay.
So see the sentence. This user have been saying that decentralization can't thrive if tokens act like banks with faster block times. So World Liberty Finance itself wanted to be a decentralized finance alternative,
Yeah.
which is under government regulation. But them blacklisting a large volume of tokens because they fear that they may sell it, people may sell it and dump it to sustain the price. What do you think of these practices? So this is an irony, right?
Yeah, it's completely opposite to decentralization. Yeah.
So what do you think about it? Like these kind of things, like will not be taken by people as such, or people will be like the trust on the World Liberty Finance will get lower and lower because of these kind of activities done by the company.
Yeah, so definitely people will question about this a lot. And also, if you see right now in the circulating supply, there are around 25 billion tokens. And out of that, only 8% of tokens is for the public sale.
Yes.
Other percentage is held by World Liberty itself for its ecosystem. And 8% of it is held by Alt5, Sigma Alt5, the partner company.
Yes.
Yeah.
As you can see on the screen, it's big.
Yeah. So what they could have done is like they could have vested these tokens or they could have done something. They have released it publicly. I don't know why. So people are questioning this as well. And as you said, the decentralization thing, that is also a con to the World Liberty.
And in all this bearish news, I have seen a trader who is very bullish on WLFI. And I don't know if they paid that guy or no, because he has been rampantly shilling WLFI for a week.
Okay.
That's virtual bacon, as you can see.
Oh, virtual bacon. Okay.
He is a well-known figure, right, among traders.
Yeah.
If you see his Twitter feed, he urges everyone to buy WLFI at whatever price.
Okay.
Because what's his logic is, he has built a 7-figure position in WLFI, dude.
Oh.
And he's been buying from $0.40 to $0.16. What he's saying is, treasury companies like Alpha Sigma entered at $0.20. Aqua One Foundation entered at $0.125. So for him, the worst case is either 50% drawdown or best case is 4x upside. So what he is saying is, even treasury companies entered at these kind of valuations,
Okay.
token price would somehow float, is what he is thinking.
Okay.
And all these updates and all the releases, like Trump family already has a lot of tokens, if you know. Their whole family. Eric is there, Barron Trump is there, Donald Trump
Junior.
Donald Trump Jr., his son. So
If you see the website, the Trump family itself, you can see the entire family list as co-founders.
yes.
Yeah.
So Trump family is now currently at a worth of $7.7 billion of paper worth. Like,
Okay.
and how much is the liquid worth? I don't know, but that's a lot of money if you say so.
Yeah.
And this worth 7.7 billion actually surpasses the real estate.
Okay.
Like Trump already had a lot of businesses, like there's Trump Towers. Trump already has a lot of businesses running in America before becoming president. This crypto worth has surpassed his other worth, other businesses worth. That much is how it has contributed to his portfolio, you can say.
Okay.
And you can also see they have been very active in the crypto circles. Like even in recent Token 2049, which is gonna happen in Singapore in October 1st week, Donald Trump Jr. would be there to speak about crypto in general.
Okay.
So he will also be speaking about WLFI for sure.
Of course, yeah.
And Trump was also a part of Bitcoin conference last time.
Yeah.
So all these kind of public appearances is also to increase the possibility of making world liberty a success
Yeah.
and to show their interest in crypto in general.
Even like last month, Eric Trump tweeted that WLFI will be in the top 10 in coin market cap.
Yes.
So right now it's around 25 to 30th position. If it needs to be in top 10, its market cap should be above $30 billion. So if it comes above $30 billion, automatically the price of a token will be above $1. So even I can say the price might reach $1. This is my price prediction. For
This is your prediction. Yeah. But what the people say is, as you can see in the image, every Trump project just dumps and flatlines is what is the public perception.
No, but all those Trump coins are meme coins. But this has a real utility to it. And it's building its own stable coin. It's building its own lending and borrowing platform. So I think it's not like other Trump meme coins.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if we come under WLFI's current offerings, crypto offerings, the major ones are USD1.
Yeah.
Their own stable coin, which is on which chain? I guess it's on Binance, I guess.
I'm not sure. The WLFI token is on Ethereum.
Okay.
But USD1, I need to check it out.
The native chain of USD1, are you also checking?
No, I'm not checking it.
You can see the market cap itself. Okay, they claim it as multi-chain and it's being...
But the primary contract is on Ethereum itself.
Okay. So the primary contract is on Ethereum, but they claim it's being multi-chain, it can be bridged. And USD1 is also fully redeemable for dollars.
Okay.
And if you see, people are not much talking about the USD1. Like it's, it does have, if you come to stablecoin market share, Tether captures around 60 to 70% market share. Another 20% is being captured by USDC circles. So is there a chance where USD1 can come over Tether or Circle or any other tokens like Ethena USD? How do you think?
So this USD1 is actually launched after the Genies Act, which is for stable coins.
Yes.
And it's also backed by real dollars in the treasury. So it has potential, but I don't think it will surpass USDT or USDC anytime soon.
Okay. But they can have the support of SEC and all other US institution like Vigilant, like who overlook the economics, right? SEC and whatever, all the US government organizations which look over economic policies, they will lean over USD1 because they have an advantage, right? He's in power.
Yeah.
So as an ending note, as you can see, there was a lot of different price action going on in the WLFI chart. You can see last year itself they had a very good entry price. Then they had another sale at $0.5 and treasury company $0.05 and treasury companies entering at 0.12.
1-2, yeah.
So at current price, what our take is, we don't know exactly if WLFI can sustain this price. Will it go down or come up? There is also a lot of tokens to be listed. Like this is just the starting point, right?
Yeah.
Just 20%, and the largest whale have been blacklisted. So circulating supply is really low actually. So as long as the vesting continues, and as time goes on and on for another 2-3 months, then only we will come to know. Like then only the chapter will open up much more. To see the potential of WLFI. It's really early to comment on WLFI because it's being launched just a week before. But we will make sure that we will track it and see if there are any other new updates so that we can get it to your feed as soon as possible. So that's it. Thanks for watching BlockTalk. This is me, Vaishnav, and
this is Ashwin.
Hope you had an informative time looking over us. And if you have any comments for us, please do drop it down. Like, subscribe, and share this with your crypto fam. And we will meet you in the next episode.